Real quick, just so everybody is aware ahead of time, although this video is done specifically in Debian, you can do this on any Linux distro. So you've just installed Debian. You've got your root account and you've got your user account. You want to do something that involves you being in sudo. So let's go ahead and open up the terminal. And we'll type in one simple command, sudo su. Sudo means superuser do, and su means superuser. Type that in, and you want to put in the password for your account. You put that in, and it says that Jonathan is not in the sudoers file. So if you don't even know where to get started on this, don't worry. I'm going to show you two really easy methods to fix this error. So first, let's go ahead and sign into our root account. We're going to go over here to switch user. Hopefully, if you're newer to Linux, you have the root password the same as your user password. If you don't, hopefully you've written it down or have it memorized. So to sign into root, you have to type root, go to your password, type in the password for the root account. In this case, it is the same because this is on a virtual machine. Open the terminal emulator, type clear, and just to let you know, if you type sudo su on your root account, it's not going to do anything. This is superuser by default. Let's go ahead and clear that, and there's two ways to do this. One is simply to type add user, the name of the user account, so Jonathan in this case, and sudo. Adding user Jonathan to group sudo, and it's done. And to check, just to make sure that he is in the sudo group, we'll type groups Jonathan. And you don't have to worry about any of this other stuff. These are just different permissions. But as you can tell, he is in the sudo group. So just to show how he's not in the sudo group, if he's not a super user, all you have to do is type del user in this case, del, the name of the account, and sudo. So now if we type groups Jonathan again, we could tell that he does not have sudo permissions. It was between floppy and audio. As you can tell, there's nothing here. So let's go ahead and give him that back. And let's switch back to Jonathan's account. So let's switch user, type in Jonathan, password for the account, go ahead and clear that, and we want to do su, go ahead and use the password, and we can see that he's still not in the sudoers file. Why is that? Well, that's because you simply just have to log out of that account and log back in. Last time we didn't log out, we just switched users, so he was still logged into the machine. Let's go ahead and log him out, and all we have to do is log him back in. And the terminal is still open for us, so sudo su, the password, and he is super user permissions. Let's clear that. There is another way to do this, and I will show you that really quick. This is the one that I prefer, and there's two different ways to do the syntax for it. So let's go back to root, and let's go ahead and delete him from that user group again. And the second way to do this is to type usermod dash lowercase a capital G sudo and then the name of the account. And just to make sure that he is there, groups Jonathan, and you can see that he is sudo. This is the method that I prefer, using usermod, but you really can use it either way. Both ways work completely fine. And the other syntax method for that, so if we delete him from the usermod, or delete him from sudo, go ahead and clear that. You can do usermod lowercase a capital G sudo and then the name of the account once again. So make sure he's there. Groups Jonathan, and there he is. And A means add and G means group. So just to make sure that he is super user with those methods, just go ahead and switch one more time, show you guys that it does work really quick. Go ahead and log him out. Log out. Go ahead and log him back in. And we can see that he does have super user permissions. Hope this video helped you guys out. If this guide did not help you for any reason, it's probably a more uncommon issue, but just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to help you to the best ability that I can. Thank you guys for watching. I am the Netrunner, and I will see you guys in the next episode.